So here I decided to go the extra mile and remove the PVC valve, and I'm glad I did because I just cleaned it. This thing was supposed to plunge very easy. Again, inside of this thing there's like a little spring device that brings the plug when the engine oil is running at a high speed. And I was able to unclog it. It was completely covered in oil and water, and but now I have to remove these one. These are the last bolts. There you go. There you go. And then we'll see how the oil was mixing with water. As you notice, I label all my bolts so everything goes back inside the way they are pulled out. Okay. So now I just have to do a pry this section right here. There you go. Easy. And then we'll see. Voila. You can see the water mixed with terrible. Water has been mixed with oil. It's like chocolate. Look at this. This is how the oil was inside. It's not even juicy and clear as it's supposed to be normally. And so if this is not, look at this. Wow, it's very thick. That's why we need to change the oil so often on these little cars. Capiche?